Hi, this is Jen. So I have two items here. This is from Review Directory, where I applied for stuff, and they send you products that you can apply to review. And this is what they had in the app. They emailed me, and then I applied. So this is what I got. They emailed me that I found that I like it, so I applied for it. So this one is this is from Vremi, Vremi, and they sell I think they sell kitchen products. So what I saw was this that I didn't have. I mean, I have a coffee grinder, but it was a manual one. So this one is an electric one. Open this one here. And then this one is going down, so this is on open. And then the grinder thing, sharp thing. And then the plug. It's really cute. I think you can take this traveling with you if you would like. This one was $15, but because I wanted to get another product to review, it's two of them, so I chose the knife set too, and that's also $15 on Amazon. I got the code for this to get it down to 50 cents. So what I got it on Amazon for 50 cents free shipping. So this is like the bump and grind coffee grinder. And it's like an anti-slip feet. So anti-slip feet. This is really cute. And where is it? I had a oh, right here. They give you one of these what is it? A brush, so you can clean it. And then instructions on how to work it. So, and then special instructions, cleaning your coffee grinder, and stuff like that. So, yeah. And it says, from coarse to fine, stainless steel blades, so. Then the second one is knives, so. I'll leave the link to this below. Vremi, or the site that I use, Review Directory, but I don't think Review Directory is open for new members right now. So Okay, let me show you my second one. The Sharp as Knife set. And this is also by Vremi. So this is like also, the total is 50 cents. So total for all is 50 cents. Okay, so. If you want to get some codes, I'll leave the link like I said, and then you can message them to receive your 50% off code. And this one is, here you go. This is a 10-piece set. 10-piece set with, it's just 5 in this one, so 10-piece is like talking about I don't know. The rubber here. With a cover. And then this is sharp right here. But it's also a color. This is not plastic. This is not rubber. This is. This one is really sharp. And you can like chop, chop, chop. And this one is really nice. They give you one big one. Another one. This one I'll show you. Oh, it's not open, so I don't want to open it. Oh, okay, here, I'll show you. This one is like that. The wrong one. You can't tell how far it goes down. How far it goes down from the knife. So, should watch yourself. And then this one is like that. Purple. I'm afraid that I was gonna cut myself here. And then the yellow one here. So these you can review on social media and not on Amazon. So if you have YouTube, like I do, or if you have Instagram or Facebook, you can do that on those, review it on those, or Twitter, you know, or on your blog. Which I might do on my blog because I haven't updated my blog since 2017. So I will do that because I am starting to go back into the blog site. So that is my unboxing of Vremi kitchen stuff from the review directory from Vremi, using code for 50 cents for review. And you have to apply on review directory, and they want to work with you. They want to work with you, they will accept you and then give you codes. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment below, leave any comments, share, and click the bell button notifications to let you know that my video has been uploaded. So, as again, thank you for watching and hope you had a great, wonderful Memorial weekend and Memorial Day yesterday. Hope you had lots of foods. Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.